Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming the concrete prerequisites and then act immediately. Check your channel meets eligibility. Monetization enabled, 1000 subs if required, and no active strikes. Once done, gather the exact account details, email, channel ID, recent policy, or strike emails because you will reference them verbatim. Make sure you're on a desktop, with VPNs off, and signed into the correct Google account. This prevents verification mismatches that commonly halt reinstatement. Now you submit a focused appeal that answers why and how you fixed issues. Open the monetization or support appeal form and paste your channel ID. In the body, explain remediation clearly, what you removed or corrected, how your content now follows policy, and include precise timestamps if specific videos were the issue. Attach screenshots of removed content, policy emails, and relevant analytics to show intent and improvement. This combination speeds review and reduces repeat requests for clarification. Finish by tracking the appeal and preparing to troubleshoot if needed. You should follow up after 7 to 10 days using the same support thread ID. Consistency prevents delays. If you receive a denial, politely request a human review and submit fresh corrective evidence, new removals, updated descriptions, or moderation logs to show compliance. Make sure payment details, AdSense linkage, and community strikes are clear. These technical flags are often the real blockers, so resolve them before reappealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.